Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Modern open-plan kitchens have become a popular and stylish choice in contemporary home design. This design concept involves merging the kitchen with adjacent living spaces, creating a seamless and integrated area that promotes social interaction and a sense of openness. One of the key features of modern open-plan kitchens is the removal of physical barriers, such as walls, that traditionally separated the kitchen from the dining or living room. This architectural shift not only enhances the visual appeal of the space but also fosters a greater sense of connectivity among family members and guests. The result is a multifunctional area that serves as the heart of the home, accommodating cooking, dining, and socializing. Aesthetically, modern open-plan kitchens often showcase sleek and minimalist designs. Clean lines, neutral color palettes, and the use of contemporary materials like stainless steel and quartz contribute to a sophisticated and timeless look. Ample natural light is a common feature, achieved through large windows and strategically placed lighting fixtures, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Functionality is a key consideration in the design of open-plan kitchens. With a more fluid layout, accessibility to different areas of the kitchen is improved, making it easier for individuals to move around and engage in various activities simultaneously. Additionally, the open-plan design allows for creative storage solutions, maximizing space efficiency and keeping the kitchen organized and clutter-free. The integration of technology is another hallmark of modern open-plan kitchens. Smart appliances, touchscreen controls, and integrated sound systems are seamlessly incorporated, enhancing both the efficiency and entertainment aspects of the space. While modern open-plan kitchens offer numerous advantages, it's important to consider potential challenges, such as noise and the need for effective ventilation. Strategic planning and thoughtful design can address these concerns, ensuring that the open-plan concept enhances the overall living experience. In summary, modern open-plan kitchens represent a contemporary approach to home design that prioritizes connectivity, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. By breaking down traditional barriers and embracing a more inclusive and integrated space, these kitchens create a dynamic environment that reflects the evolving lifestyle preferences of today's homeowners.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!